In this tutorial, I'll solve one of the most common problems in Excel on how to highlight an entire row in a worksheet when a specific value is selected. We'll use a sample sales dataset, and our goal is to highlight all rows where the state is equal to Florida. Let's start. Go to the Home tab by default and select Conditional Formatting. Click on New Rule and choose the bottom option. Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, reference the cell in column D. Starting with D2, type equals D2 equals Florida. And make sure to remove the dollar signs so the formula does not apply to the entire range. Click on Format. Go to the Fill tab and select your desired color. For this example, we'll use light green. Click OK. At this point, you'll notice only a single cell is highlighted. To fix this, go back to Conditional Formatting, click Manage Rules, and update the Applies to range. Highlight all the data in your worksheet, then click Apply and OK. That's it. You now have a dynamic rule that highlights rows based on a specific value. This technique can also be used to highlight rows based on a numeric range, like highlighting rows where sales are greater than or equal to a target value. Try it out and customize it to fit your needs. So replay this and share it with a friend. Subscribe.